How to fix 7-Eleven app not working. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your app is up to date. So just head over to your Play Store and check if there is an update button available. But even after you do that, if you're still facing the problem, then what you have to do is clear the app cache. For that, just long press on the app to head over to your app info. Now, if you scroll down and head over to storage, you can see the option to clear cache right here, because sometimes the junk files or unnecessary files might be causing the malfunctioning on the app. And after you do that, head over to your permissions and make sure to allow all of these permissions since the app requires all of these to run smoothly. And then what you have to do is, if you scroll down, you can head over to your battery uses and make sure that it's not unrestricted, because if it's unrestricted, then the phone will restrict certain activities on the background for the app to run smoothly. So just make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized. And once you do that, give your phone a quick restart and then your app should be normally functioning. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.